Good morning, you guys. Welcome to My Future Success. It is June 25th here at 9:28. Let's make some money. You guys, so far this morning, we have gone 5 for 5 winning trades in the market. Trading here on the 2-minute time frame, just pulling out 1 point. Now this spread right here, this is going to represent 1 point in the market that each one of these trades ended up pulling out. Now right now, what I want to look out for here with you live is to see if we can get another push to the upside, since overall, we are trading in a bull market momentum. So how do you tell that? I want you guys to go up here to your indicator, go ahead and put this to 100. That's going to populate the last 100 candles and tell us if we're trading bullish, bearish, or consolidating in the market. Since we are going in a bullish momentum, we have our buy signals on to give us the best opportunities in the market. Now you guys, I just got an email this morning, actually a text message from one of the members, Kim. He said, I used this on NVIDIA and pulled out $37,000 on that trade and took out over 400 points just on the NQ and ES. You guys, I'm not kidding. Kim, if you're watching this video, leave a comment below just so everyone knows there's transparency. So absolutely insane. You guys, I also want to give a shout out to, real quick, before we get into a trade here, if we can see this turn around in a second, to Miles, Michael, and Greg. Thank you guys so much for joining just in the last 24 hours, getting these metrics. And I also want to give a shout out to the one-on-one that I have actually in just about an hour from now. Keith, I'm going to see you in just a little bit here at 11 a.m. this morning. But you guys, let's do some technical analysis. Let's make a trade together here and see if we can pull out some money in the market. You guys, overall, we are trading bullish. Money's flowing down. This is your accumulation stage in the market where we can typically see increases to the upside. You guys can tell back here, accumulation zone, what you want to do, you just want to wait for the money to come back up. Let's get a buy signal, enter in. Accumulation zone coming back up, overall in a bull trend, wait for metrics to change. That's our entry into the market. When you have big dips like this down, just be patient. It's okay. So this is just flushing out of the market, totally fine, but we want to wait to see if we can get a reversal on here. What you can do too is you can always go either one time frame up or one time frame below. So what do I mean by that? Let's say we're wanting to trade on a 2-minute time frame. If I go to the 5-minute, where is this overall? This is still bullish. So if 5-minute is bullish and my 2-minute is bullish, where's going to be the best entries in the market? Going long. Okay, so even if you do this 2-minute down to 1-minute, where is this going? This is still technically bullish in the market. So let's go back here to the 2-minute time frame. Let's wait and see if these metrics can change over and actually get us the 6th win this morning for pulling out a couple $100 in the market. Now, if you guys are new to this channel, I want you guys to know, if you head over to My Future Success, this is where you're going to be able to grab all of these metrics. This is going to be up on July 1st. Take a look at some of our ratings. 5-star ratings over here of exact members who are using this right now, who are pulling out gains in the market. Literally every day I'm getting emails. Also, one-on-one trainings are available for everyone as well. You also get a 50% discount. So everyone that I've been doing trainings with, even yesterday, Noel, if you're on here, you can leave a comment below. Had an amazing time doing a one-on-one with you. Everyone gets 50% off. So I want to be here for you guys to show as a mentor, show live trades myself on Tradingview and Tradovate to show you exactly how I trade the futures market, to give as much education as possible. I want you guys to literally be able to take this and take what I'm trying to teach here and implement it yourself literally within minutes. Like, grab your metrics, load them on here. If you guys have problems loading these on, just give me an email. I'll load it on for you. There's no issue at all. But I want to be here transparent with you guys and not only share my success, but many of other people's success as well, who are using these metrics. So let's just stay here for a second and see if we can get a trade set up. What I like to do on the 2-minute is to go over to the 1 to see if there's any consolidation, to see if we can push back up here. You see how this is making a lower high, or excuse me, a higher low? So money's flowing back in, but what is the price doing? Making a lower high. So this is showing me that if money's pushing in and money's coming down, this is where we can see a little bit of a consolidation area and a strong push back up. So all I want to do is just wait and be patient and switch this over in a moment to see if we can get a buy signal illuminated. So that's all I'm doing. So you guys, if it takes here on the 2-minute time frame, 15 minutes, a half an hour or so, think of this as if you were working a day job. I had a one-on-one just yesterday and I was like, a good example, I actually used to work at Costco, you guys. So a little bit of background while this chart actually plays out here so we can get a push to the upside. But I actually used to work at Costco and I was there the other day doing shopping for my pub that I own with my family. And I was like, you guys, if I were to go back to work right now, how much could I get paid? Probably $20 an hour. And I was like, okay, so if I'm there for 8 hours, then I have a lunch, that's 9 hours out of your day, right? But I'm only getting paid for 8 hours. So 8 times 20 is $160. Well, if I'm going for 4 lots here on Tradovate and I'm going for 1 point in the market on the 2-minute time frame, isn't that $200? So if I can make $200 sitting at a computer anywhere in the world, not pushing carts outside in 100-degree weather like it is right now where I'm at, that is what I want to try to teach. You can then be on your charts for an hour or so. Then when you're done, go have some fun with your family. I can go have fun, go play some golf. I can be with my child, who's about 17 months now. We're house sitting at some friend's place who are over in Italy for 3 months because they want to try and see if they want to live there. So we're able to be at a nice place, literally on vacation, trading and teaching this to show you guys exactly how I'm able to do this in the market so you can do this yourself. So if you have a 9 to 5, this is an amazing thing to do in the mornings or when you get back from work, just to pull out a couple $100 in the market. If you're retired, absolutely amazing too. If you have more time, this is something that you could do for a few hours in the day. And like this and many other traders this morning, you were able to take out, literally we had 5 for 5 winning trades here. These are all signals that were illuminated that you could have taken just today alone. It's absolutely incredible. So guys, right now what I'm looking at, we're getting a big sell-off in the market. This keeps going down and down even further. Let's go to the 1 minute and see what's happening. We are actually now switching this over. So this is what happens. If you look at your metrics overall, if you have any of your shift here, you see how this is now going bearish in the market? Sell, 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 sell. This is going to give you the best opportunities in the market. So what you can look for is either continuations in this direction, or you can look for big pushes. Now what happened back here? See how when we got down into this area, this is where we saw a big push actually back up and as a level of support. I wouldn't be surprised if we could actually see some consolidation and a push back up, since overall our money is actually flowing back into the market. You see, if you were to go straight up from here, where's this price? Right here. Where's price now? A huge decrease. Well, where's all overall money heading? Actually back into the market. It's actually coming back into the market, saying the support area here could actually see a nice bounce and we could see a reversal on this trade. So actually on this, I want to see 2-minute time frame. You see that candle that just got formed there? See how this is a strong bullish candle, literally taking out these last two? This is not a bad area to be looking at going for a long in the market, since overall in the time frame that we're looking at is still bullish here. So you can go down to just one more time frame. So take the time frame that you want to be trading on. I want to be trading on the 2 minute, but I want to be able to spot an entry that could potentially be sooner rather than later. If this ends up not being a doji candle here, and ends up being a strong bullish candle, this could be a spot for reversal in the market to take out a small profit. If this stays Hiekin Ashi, or excuse me, doji candles, it just shows the indecision and we can still see a push lower. So we just want to wait and be patient on these trades and just see if we can pull out something in the market. But if it takes a couple minutes, it's okay. It's absolutely okay, guys. So just sit on your hands, as they say, and just wait for certain areas in the market to be able to be populated. I'd rather wait a few minutes, have these videos be longer with live narration showing you exactly what I'm looking at in the market than rather rush something. So on this doji, my mind right now is saying, okay, there's still indecision in the market. There isn't a strong solid push up or down. When you have pushes like this down into the market and indecision, typically 90% of the time, the strongest candle, bullish or bearish, following indecision is the momentum direction that it's going to continue. Okay, I want to give as much education here as possible. If this ends up forming on this candle or the next one, a strong bearish signal to the downside or bullish signal to the upside, that is what I want to enter in on for the trade. And I'll do it here live with you guys right now. So if you're still watching this, stay tuned with this because I want to show you transparency in real time on both of these accounts, exactly what I'm looking at for in the market, because I do like how this is pushing up higher here. Consolidation, push. Let's see if this closing out in about 4 seconds, if we can actually get this to close out with a bullish candle. I do like that. You guys, I'm going to go over here to the market. Remember what I say? When you get these candles, wait for a slight little pullback. Let's see if we can get it on discount. I'm going to see if we can actually go right at this area. Oh, it's running away from us. So let's be patient. Let's wait for a pullback. I'm going to enter in right here. Let's see if we can get filled on this. Order has been filled. You guys can hear it in the background. We're going to go for on the 1 minute time here. I had this set for automatic trading machine on the bottom here for 4 ticks in the market, or 1 point here on the 1 minute. So we're coming out of the bottom. Money is heading back up. You see how that almost switched over there for a second? At this candle close, if this switches over to green, that's going to be a good indication we could go higher. 2 minute time frame, looking over here, indecision, strong bullish candle. This looks like this could continue up a little bit more. Now you guys, we're only going for a point in the market here. That's it. So indecision and a rally to the upside, that's what we want to look. This is overall, yes, you're going bearish in the market, but we're looking at diversion here. Money's flowing in when money's flowing out. Money's actually stepping back in. Middle band is green. Look what happened just now, a solid green dot. At candle close, what we're going to end up getting is actually a buy signal here on the chart. This buy signal will stay on here and stay illuminated right at candle close. It may flicker on and off, but it's very, very precise metrics. Keep an eye over here, guys. This is going to close out for 1 point in the market. I know we're going to get this for a $200 profit. This is just really good setups. And this is why I'm going to show you too, going for just 1 point in the market on the 1 to 2 minute time frame is going to give you the best results. 2 ticks preferably. So you guys remember, we were right up here going for 2 ticks. This would have been closed out. I just want to stay here longer since now I have all of our metrics here now in combination to the upside. Let's see if we can get a little bit more of a push here. Let's go to 2 minute. There we go. I love this. Indecision, bullish candle, 1 minute time frame. Everything's still in line. We're going to close this out. This is going to push up a couple ticks here in the market, and this is going to close out for 200. Not that it feels like it, you just know. So this is where I'm saying, like, be confident. Like, if metrics are telling you you're going to see a push in the market direction, just literally sit on your hands and do nothing. If this switches over down here to red in the middle, or you get a doji candle, get out of the trade. Just like that, you guys. Order has been filled. You can hear it in the background, taking out $200 in the market on a reversal here, looking at our metrics. Money stepping back in, higher low, higher low. Money's flowing in as price is coming out. That's the version. This is saying that you're going to see a push coming back up. What happened to all of our metrics? Solid green band, green solid dot, and a buy signal illuminated to give us confirmation to push to the upside. That is exactly how I want you guys to be trading. And this is how I teach with one-on-one trainings as well, to find as many opportunities as you possibly can in the market. You guys, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. If you have any questions, please email me directly for one-on-one training. But in the meantime, grab this while you can before this goes up on July 1st. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found a lot of education. Take a look again at all the comments of people that have seen so much success with this. I'm going to keep doing these videos as many times a week as possible to show you live transparency of trading the futures market. Have a great rest of your day. God bless.